Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make never-ending videos. First, understand that these videos are designed to play continuously, often used for background ambience or long-duration content. The key is to create a perfect loop where the end transitions smoothly back to the beginning, making it seem truly endless. We'll cover the essential steps to achieve this seamless effect. To create a seamless loop, your video's very last frame must perfectly match its very first frame. This often involves careful trimming and sometimes duplicating a small section. Utilize your video editing software's timeline to align these points with precision. Look for features that allow frame-by-frame adjustments to ensure there are no visible jumps or glitches. When selecting your content, opt for footage that naturally lends itself to repetition, such as flowing water, abstract patterns, or subtle movements. Avoid scenes with sudden cuts, dialogue, or distinct events that would break the illusion of continuity. If adding music, ensure the track itself can loop smoothly, perhaps fading out and in subtly, or having a natural end that matches its beginning. Once your loop is perfected, export your video in a widely compatible format, such as MP4, ensuring high quality. Consider the final duration. While it's never-ending, a shorter, well-crafted loop is often more effective than a very long one. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals. This helps support the channel and keeps you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.